Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Neteller account or in Neteller web application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. And after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your account settings. So basically you will find it here in this corner next to the logout button. So basically you are going to click on it and go to profile details, and basically here you will find the personal details, account setting, etc. And basically we need to go to the account setting, to the security, and here you will find the password, and basically you need to click on change, and then you are going to add the current password. So basically you are going just to add the current password, and then add the new password, for example like that, and then save. And basically, as you can see, maybe there was just a little bit of problem, but basically if you do it, it normally should work, and basically by this method it will change your password successfully. So basically those are the steps to change your password on Neteller web application. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.